Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the Moto Mutley channel. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and we're just coming up on Masonville here, which you guys have seen before. Except today we're going to turn right and go down to Horsetooth Reservoir and take a lap around that this early, beautiful morning. Anyway, thanks for being here. Sure do appreciate you guys, as always. I can't ever say that enough. And I hope you guys enjoyed the ride. Talk to you in a little bit. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to slip a map in here as to where I've gone this morning. Maybe that'll make a little bit more sense to everybody, and why we're not right on the lake, and why I'm showing you this is it's just perfect light, beautiful ride, red rocks, nobody on the road hardly. Just wonderful. Got that guy, he's jamming. Wow, there's a deer there. Guess I better start watching out for those. It's that time of day. Okay, so this is the little town of Horsetooth itself. It's got a marina here and is attached to the kind of the southwest end of the lake. And then off to the right here is another one of the famous biker roadhouses. Any given weekend, that place is just stuffed with bikes. And why not? This is a perfect motorcycle ride. And out of the sun for a minute. But nice over on the western side. And I think in a couple of seconds, we're just about to come upon the lake. Wow, what a great morning. There's some of the marinas over there from the little town. or at least the boat docks, boat ramps. And I think we'll pull off here for just a second because it's such a beautiful shot. So this is the southeast end of the reservoir. And I thought it was worth pulling off here for just a second and look around. I think we just missed the morning mist fog. But at any rate, there you have it. Good morning here from Horsetooth Reservoir, Loveland, Colorado. All right, let's go. So we're going to go all the way down to that other end, all the way over there. Yeah, I can still see all the mist over the city off to the east. All right, onwards and upwards. I think I'm going to pull over and pause here for a second because that is a great overlook of Fort Collins and another great look off to the west here of the lake. Hi guys. All right, we're gonna come on over to the dam here and go up in there and turn around and call it a day, I think. And we are now at the northernmost side. I think I'm gonna just pull over here so we can have a nice look at the lake. All the way down. And I think we'll leave it here for today, guys. Thanks for joining me on a beautiful morning ride around Horsetooth Reservoir here in now Fort Collins, Colorado. It spans a couple of towns, Larimer County. As always, I'd like to thank my subscribers. I appreciate you guys very much, and all the newcomers that we've been seeing lately. That's awesome. If you guys want to see some part of Colorado, be sure to leave a comment down below and tell me what you'd like me to go film for you. If it's possible, I'll do it. Pretty much everything's possible here. So I'm blathering right now, but thanks a lot for everything. We will see you in the next one. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.